morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
Fantastic.
Okay, I'm glad to see you. And how is your mood today? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, sit down. Thank you. Now, look at these photos. And how do you think? What about are we going to speak? Yeah, you are right. Today we are going to speak about family. Yeah? Open your copybooks. Open your copybooks. Write down today's date. Copybooks, yeah? Write down today's date and families. The topic of our lesson is families. Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Today we are going to speak about family, yeah? Pronounce and name the members of family and compare, describe our family. Also, we will listen and watch a video about family and family members, yeah? Now, you know that every people have their family, yeah? Do you have a family? Yeah, you have a family. Can you tell the members of your family? Who are they?
Dad, father, mother, me, brother, and grand.
Grands, yeah? Okay, thank you. Very good. And also, you have your first card, yeah? Thank you. Next, who is the next? Who can tell about family members?
Me, dad, mother, grandmother, and grandfather.
Okay, very good. Your card, of course. Now, let's continue. Now, we are going to watch a video, yeah? Family members, then we will pronounce and repeat, yeah?
Brother. She is my sister. Sister.
Repeat. Sister.
He is my grandfather.
Grandfather.
Grandfather. She is my grandmother. They are my grandparents. He is my uncle. She is my aunt. She is my cousin. He is my cousin.
Okay. Now, let's continue. We have listened about family and family members, yeah? Now let's repeat. Dad, son, uncle, grandson, grandfather, brother, mom, daughter, aunt, granddaughter, grandmother, sister. Okay, can you translate it? Dad, mom. Who are they? Arjun, I'm sorry. Dad, mom. Ake, Anna. Son, daughter. Arjun? Son, daughter. Yeah? Son. Can you help? Shumuz, help please.
Сын and дочь.
Ұлы және қызы, yeah? Ұлы және қызы. Next, uncle, aunt. Еркенже? Uncle, aunt. Кузин. Ой. Аға, тәте. Аға, әпке немесе тәте, yeah? Very good. It's good job. Next. Grandson, granddaughter. Grandson, Almira, granddaughter. Немере ұл және немере қыз. Sit down. Next, grandfather, grandmother. Қайым?
Ата, апа.
Ата, апа немесе әже. Brother, sister. Айолым?
Аға, әпке.
Аға және әпке. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Now let's continue. Today we are going also to have a grammar topic, possessive case. What does it mean, possessive case? For example, my mother's name is Mahabat. Where can you use possessive case? For example, my mother and apostrophe s. Бұл анамның, яғни кімнің? Анамның. My sisters. My sister, apostrophe s. Бұл не деген сөз? Әпкемнің. Әпкемнің. Енді қарай. Егер сөз жекеше болса, if the word is in singular nouns, we add the apostrophe and s, yeah? Bird's house. Can you translate? Bird's house. Yeah, құстардың үйі. Child's ball. Баланың добы. Дұрыс айтасыздар. Ал егер біздің сөзіміз көпше түрде болса қайтеміз? Plural form. Мысалға, екі әпкеміз болуы мүмкін, иә? My sister. Және ол s, бұл нені білдіреді? Көптік жалғауы. Менің әпкелерімнің сөмкесі деп айтқымыз келсек. Әпкелерімнің. Бұл s бізде көптік жалғау, ал оған апостроф жалған кезде s-ті жалғамаймыз, тек апострофты. Түсіндік па? My sister's bag. Менің әпкелерімнің сөмкесі. Жекеше түрде болса апостроф s, көпше түрде болса көптік жалғауынан кейін жай ғана апостроф қойылады. Please write down 2 examples to your copybook, yeah? Have you finished? Okay. I see you have finished, yeah? Now open your books on page 41. On page 41, we have a family puzzle, yeah? Family puzzle or family picture. Now we are going to listen. Then you must read together. Then find which word is missed. Yeah? Қайсы түсіп қалғанын естеміз табамыз. Take your pencil and write down. Қарындашымызды аламыз, жазамыз. Now let's listen at first. Тыңдаймыз, иә, бірге?
Who's who? Emily and David are brother and sister. Their parents' names are William and Fiona. Sophie is Emily's grandmother. She's a football fan. Mark is Sophie's husband and William's father. He's got white hair. Uncle Paul is near David. He plays golf. Sarah is Paul's wife. She's with Becky. Becky is Emily's cousin and Sarah's daughter. She's between David and Emily. Matt is Fiona's nephew. with Gonzo the dog. Emily is next to Becky. She's Sophie's granddaughter.
Okay. Now let's check all together. The first sentence. Read the first sentence. Where we have missed word, yeah?
Sophie.
Sophie, yeah?
Sophie.
Sophie.
Sophie is Emily's grandmother.
Emily's, yeah? Pronunciation. Emily's grandmother. Thank you. Next word. I am.
She is a football fan. Mark is Sophie's
Husband. Husband of kim? Husband of kim? Hugh, yeah? Mark is Sophie's husband, yeah? Thank you, you are right. Next, Amira. The third. Uncle, who is uncle? Uncle is near the David. David, what is the David? What is the David? Yeah, near қасында. Кім значит? Paul. Айта аласың. Paul. Yeah, Paul is near David. Sit down. Nurali, next.
Sarah is Paul's wife. She's with Becky.
Yeah, you are right. Sarah is Paul's wife. Yeah. Possessive дұрыс айтамыз. Paul's. Yeah. Paul'dың. Ayolum, you are next.
Becky is Emily's cousin and Sarah's
Daughter.
daughter.
You are right. Becky. Yeah. Becky is Emily's cousin. And the last, yeah, the last one, екінші.
Matt is Fiona's
Nephew. Nephew дегеніміз ол племянник, yeah? Племянник. Mark is Fiona's nephew, yeah? You are right. Thank you. Sit down. Okay, now let's continue. Look at this. Who is who? I have this, yeah? One. Exercise number 1. Here we are going to work here with this picture, with this text, yeah? Who is who? Now I'm going to ask you. Who is Sarah? Who is Sarah? Yeah. Мен Сара кім деймін, сендер оны жауап бересіңдер. Who is Sarah? Кімнің? Енді stand up. Sarah is
Paul's wife.
Paul's wife, yeah? You are right. And tell please the full sentence, yeah? Толық сөйлем айтамыз. Sarah is Paul's wife, yeah? Thank you. Next, who is David? Look at this picture. Who is David? David. Who is David? Шыңғыс?
David is cousin.
Whose? Кімнің?
David is
Emily's. Yeah?
Emily's cousin.
Yeah, you are right. David is Emily's cousin, yeah? And who is Sophie? Who is Sophie? Ayum?
Sophie is Emily's grandmother.
Yeah, you are right. Very good. Emily's grandmother, yeah? And who is Fiona? Who is Fiona? I'm not Fiona Dinkum. Yeah? Yeah? Who is Fiona? Ayum?
Fiona's parents William.
Parents? No. Nurali?
Fiona is Matt's
Nephew, yeah? She is Matt's nephew, yeah? Fiona's nephew is Matt болады, yeah? Fiona's nephew is Matt. Немесе біз айтуымызға болады William'ның кімі?
William's husband.
Wife, yeah? Husband ол күйеуі, wife ол әйелі. Okay, don't worry. It's okay. Now, we are going to write and practice a lot. Look at this exercise. You have For example, in your exercise, you have David and Emily. David kim? David is Emily's brother. Yeah? And you must write Fiona William. Fiona William'ga kim? Matt and Becky. Matt Becky'ga kim bo'ladi? David and Paul. David Paul'ga kim bo'ladi? You have 3 minutes here. Write down to your copy book. And to the blackboard, I want to invite Ayolam. Ayolam, please come here and write down. Yekinci, the next, Matt and Becky. Cindy, Fiona, William. You can take your books. Kitaplarını alıp olur. Просим Фиона не лезть, все момент. William. You guys got William. After William. Yes, you're right. Williams. You are right. Very good. Take your card. Thank you. That is the next last one. Matiana. Cezansı. Kilo. David and Paul. David Paul'ga kim? Fiona's nephew. You are right. Yekinci. It's right. Nephew. Yeah. Take your card. Ayakta. Şans kitabı. David is Paul. Paul oynayacağız. Paul. In the other things? Yeah, you're right. Paul'un kimi David? Balası. Ya, bunların balası. Sonra balası yıkılır mı? Paul's son. Just S O N O. Yeah. Okay, you are right. Thank you. Take your card, Anjani. And be active, yeah? Okay, now let's continue. Are you finished?
Yes.
Now, let's repeat all together families and the physical activity. We are going to stand up, and do a lot of exercise, yeah? Some families are large. Some families are large. Yeah? Some families are large. Some families are small. Some families are small. But I love my family. Okay, once more again. Yeah? Let's repeat. Some families are large. Some families are small. But I love my family. Okay. Have you exercised some more? Yeah? Sit down. Thank you. Now let's continue. Guys, we are going to have a grammar topic also, and I think you know about it, yeah? Before we have been using this structure have got and has got. What does it mean, have got and has got? For example, I have got a family. No, I have got a family. У меня есть менде бар, yeah? I have got a sister. Менің әпкем бар. I have got a little brother. Менің кішкентай інім бар, yeah? Okay, when do we use have got and when do we use has got? I, you, we, they, we use have got. With he, she, it has got. Yeah? For example, she has got a sister. For example, Shumlus has got a brother. Еркенже has got a sister. For example, yeah? Ал егер жоқ болса ше? Не қосамыз? Got. Yeah? Has not. Yeah? Arnur has not got a brother. For example. Yeah? Okay. Now, can you tell one example with have got and has got? Give me an example. Ayol, for example, misal keltirishchi.
I have got friends.
I have got what?
Friends.
Friends. Yeah, friends. I have got friends. Thank you. Very good. Next, Madiana. Your example. Have got, немесе has got.
I have got
Sister бар ма? Айталы. I have got a sister. Yeah, you are right. Your cards, please. Екінші.
I have got is brother.
Just brother. Is айтпаймыз. I have got a brother. Okay. Нұрали.
Еркенже has got 4 cards.
Yeah, you are right. Еркенже has got 4 cards. Еркенженің 4 карточкасы бар, yeah? Very good example, yeah? Thank you. Альмира. I have got a family. You are right. I am.
I have got a sister.
I have got a sister. Shumas. Maybe she, he, it.
He has got pencil.
Yeah, she has got pencil, yeah? But don't mind the 2 smiles, yeah? Next, Arnur.
I have got
Карман.
I have got brother.
I have got a brother. Ayol, Arjun.
I have got a brother.
Another example. Brother da басқа. I have I have got a sister, yeah? Thank you. Now, we are going to talk about your family. We are going to conclude our lesson here, but I want you to speak about your family using possessive case, using have got and has got. Yeah? Яғни сендер қазір не істейсіңдер? You make sentence about your family in oral way, ауызша. Yeah? I have got, who have got you? Yeah? And using possessive case. Her name is, yeah? For example, my mother's name, my brother's name. Don't write, don't write in oral way, yeah? Ауызша айтамыз. Please think, yeah? Шыңғыс.
I have got a brother. I have got a brother. My mother's name is Gulmira.
I have
got a sister.
my sister name. Yeah, айта беріңіз. Қайда? Біз не қосамыз? My sister.
My sister's name
Yeah.
is Diana.
Yeah, you are right. Thank you. Very good. Next. Ayım.
I have got my family. My mother's name is Roshan. I have got a sister. My brother name is Adil.
Adil. But you have a mistake, yeah? My brother's name, yeah? Me is my brother's name. Very good. Thank you. Ayalım.
I have got sister's name. My mother's name is Diana. I have got a sister. My sister name is Aymira.
Okay, just a mistake. Sister name or sister's name. Sister's name, yeah? Don't forget pronounce S, yeah? In possessive case. Very good. Thank you. Yetinci.
I have got my family. My mother's name is Kogerson. I have not got a sister.
Has got or have got?
Have not got a sister. My brother's name is Arham.
My brother.
My brother's name is Arham.
Arhat, you are. Thank you. And then who is the next? Who wants? Yeah, Nurari.
I have got a grandmother. My mother's name is Sultan. I have not got a sister. My grandfather's name is Bulat.
Yeah, you are right. Thank you very much. And then who else? Amira, please. You are right, very good. But I have got or has got? Have ba, has ba? I. Have, yeah? I have. Егер he, she, it болса ғана біз не істейміз? Has қолданамыз. Now, okay, our lesson is, our time is ending, yeah? We are going to finish our lesson, but I want to know your opinion about our today's lesson. Please write down here your feelings, yeah? Your feedback for today's lesson. Write down, please. If you like the lesson, you can write I'm fine, I did all my best, it's you are so, I'm okay, I tried as much as I can, yeah? And the last one is I'm not well if you don't like our today's lesson. Please write down and stick here in this traffic light. Ayolo, 10 point, yeah? Please count your cards. Who have got a lot of cards, please count and tell your numbers. Ayolum, how many? Five, yeah? You have 8 points for today's lesson, yeah? Madiana, how many cards have you got? 2, yeah? 6 points for today's lesson. Yerkinje, yeah? Please stick. Yerkinje, how many cards? Elwood, yeah? You have 8 points for today's, and I can add 2 points for your active, yeah? 10 points. Norari, 10 points. Norari, 10 points. Almira, 7 points. Ayim, 10 points. You are 10, can you help and stick it again? Shumbas, 10 points. Arnor, yeah? Arnor is 6 points, yeah? Be more active on the next lesson, yeah? Ayola, 6 points also. Okay. Arujana. That's better, no? Okay, you can all here in blackboard later. Thank you. So, our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye,
Goodbye. Goodbye.